Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be building a project with a lot of functionality, starting with pagination on the top. So you can go to the previous page and you can go to the next page, and then when you click on this image, it's going to take you to the article that is related to this image, and when you click on this title as well, it's going to take you to the article. When you scroll to the bottom, then you're going to have pagination on for the previous and the next page as well. Okay, so for example, if I click on the next page, then it's going to rerun a get request and it's going to show me articles on the next page, which is currently page 2. And then we have tags on the bottom. So when you click on each one of these tags, it's going to show you articles related to that particular tag. So for example, if I click on web dev right here, it's going to rerun another get request, and then it's going to show me articles related to web development. Okay, and if I click on static web apps, it's going to do the same thing. And then if I click on previous, if I'm on the first page, then it's going to show me a toast here. If I can actually find it, it's going to show me a toast that says you're already on the front page. And then I have set a maximum page of 1000. So if you click on next until you reach the 1000th page, if you try to go into 1001, then it's going to show you that you're already on the last page. And then finally, the last thing that we're going to implement is when you hover over the name of the author of the article, then this pops up. So we have a bigger image, and then we have the name of the person, we have a follow button, and then we have the social media of the person. Now this social media doesn't really work because it doesn't link to their actual social media, but if they do have a website, then when you click on this, then it's going to take you to the actual website. We are going to be using the Dev.to articles API, and I've set it to fetch only 10 articles per page. You can set it to 100 or 1000 if you want, but that is a bit overkill, especially for applications, because it's going to take quite a bit of time to load. So that's why I've chosen to set it 10 articles per page. Okay. So this is a very cool looking application. It involves a lot of functionality, and therefore we're going to be building it in React and TsbSankara. So yeah, let's get started.